All right, so today we're talking about the 10 things you have to know before you get a nose job. All right, Stephanie, roll them up. What's number one?
Are there different types?
There are absolutely two main types of rhinoplasty, open or closed. Closed rhinoplasty, everything's done inside the nose, scarless. Open rhinoplasty uses a tiny cut at the bottom of the nose. It's a great technique, but it does leave a permanent scar. But it's necessary if you have revision or reconstructive nose job needs. Otherwise, consider closed scarless rhinoplasty. What's next?
Are there specialists in rhinoplasty?
Absolutely. So most plastic surgeons do nose jobs, facelifts, eyelids, boobs, butts, liposuction, and more. But there are certain doctors who do only one personal procedure, and for rhinoplasty does only rhinoplasty.
Does it hurt?
It absolutely is a variation of discomfort, but not necessarily a painful procedure. So most people who have a rhinoplasty don't necessarily say it's painful, but they are in discomfort for the first 2 days because of stuffing or packing that may or may not be in the nose, depending on your procedure. Generally, it's not a painful procedure. 90% of patients don't even take pain meds.
If you want perfection, should you do it?
If you're looking for perfection, you should not get a rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty is about subtle refinement and improvement in the harmony of your face. It's not about perfection because it doesn't exist. Your favorite celebrity, your favorite model, none of them have perfect faces or noses. And keep that in mind, because if you're looking for perfection, do not go for a rhinoplasty.
Will this bring me happiness?
This will not bring you eternal sunshine type happiness. This will bring you peace of mind, and it'll bring you a little bit of ease of comfort when you're looking in the mirror or facing an insecurity about your nose. But if you're looking for true happiness and you're in a deep, dark place in your life, don't get a rhinoplasty because it will not solve your problems. Go to Tony Robbins.
What's the biggest regret people have?
The biggest regret people have with rhinoplasty, the biggest buyer's remorse, is when they do too much to their nose. Big, drastic changes usually come with buyer's remorse. People who do subtle, soft refinements are usually happy the rest of their lives after their nose job.
Can bad nose jobs be fixed?
Bad nose jobs can be fixed, and thank God. So not everyone gets an amazing result the first time. Most people do, and usually the people who have a bad result, it's usually because their surgeon wasn't a very skilled rhinoplasty surgeon and they made some errors in the surgical management. That being said, thankfully, because of open rhinoplasty, you can fix most bad nose jobs with really, really good reconstructive surgeons today.
Why do prices range so dramatically?
Prices range so dramatically with nose jobs because nose jobs are like handbags. You can get a $10 handbag at Target or a $20,000 handbag at Hermes. It's all based on your budget and what fits your needs. That being said, you can bargain shop for a handbag and still be okay. Don't bargain shop with your face.
Can it help my breathing?
Nose jobs for breathing. The oldest celebrity tale ever. My deviated septum. Yes, we can fix your deviated septum during your nose job, and it's completely part of the procedure and almost mandatory in my opinion. All patients who are having rhinoplasty should have their breathing assessed, and it should be improved if it needs to be.
How long is the healing process?
The healing process for rhinoplasty generally is about 1 week acutely with the cast on your nose. After 1 week, it takes about 6 weeks so you can resume all normal physical activities like running, jumping, or jogging. But the final healing process takes 3 years, so be very patient. The molding happens very slowly, which is great because nobody will know.
I think I should get a nose job.
Stephanie, no, you don't need a nose job.
Why?
No, your nose is perfect. Number 11, you need to know. Don't get a nose job if you don't need a nose job. These are the top 10 things you need to know about rhinoplasty. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, DM us, leave a comment below, or follow us for more videos.